Hello students, once again welcome to Bholanath Academy. In this video students we are going to see integration of very simple function. Now here students we are going to evaluate the integration of x square divided by x cube plus 6 dx. In examination students, for 2 marks question they may ask in board examination. So students, very simple sums, how you are going to grab 2 marks. So this way students you have to solve the problem of this integration. So how you are going to write students in board examination? So you have to start with the solution. Okay students, you should write solution. So this way students you have to start the answer. Okay students, so this is the integration is given students. For that we are going to assume let I, first capital I, we are going to denote the integration symbol students. We are going to integrate this function, that is integration of x square when it is divided by x cube plus 6. We have to integrate with respect to dx. Okay students, this sums is given to you students. How we are going to solve this problem students? For that students, please, so when this type of question is coming students, when this is the numericals are coming students, that is algebraic functions is coming, when one algebraic function is divided by another algebraic function, for that students we are going to first put this denominator, that is x cube plus 6, we are going to take as a y. Okay students, this denominator is having x cube plus 6, so that we are going to put like this students, let y is equal to denominator, that is x cube plus 6. Okay students, instead of this x cube plus 6, now I have taken y. Now students, what happens students, if you have to simplify this, if you simplify, we have to differentiate with respect to x, because here x is there, so we have to differentiate. We are going to differentiate this linear function with respect to x. Okay students, so what happens students, you have to differentiate on left hand side as well as right hand side. Okay students, for that students, the symbol is there, that symbol is called dy upon dx of y. Equal sign will be as it is students. Now this side also you have to differentiate this function x cube plus 6. Okay students, so this we are going to differentiate students. What happens students, so this is nothing but therefore students, if the equally symbol is coming, then you have to put therefore. So therefore students, it will becomes dy upon dx, which is equals to, when you are going to differentiate with this, differentiation symbol will go here students. So differentiation of x raised to n, that is n into x, n minus 1. So here students, when you differentiate x cube, so 3 will come first, and this 3 will multiply with x, and 3 minus 1 will be 2. Okay students, now this dy by dx will go here students. Differentiation of 6 will be 0. Okay students, so now you got students, dy by dx is equals to 3x square. Okay students, now what happens students when you solve this? Since students you know dy by dx is equal to 3x square plus 0. Okay, now what happens students, therefore you can say dy is equals to, it will go and multiply here with 3x square like this. Okay students, now this constant number students you can put this side, so it will be dy upon 3. Okay students, which is equals to x square into dx. Okay students, so this is the equation number 2. Okay students, now what happens students, when again you put your integration, that sums, you have to write integration of x square upon x cube plus 6. Okay students, now here students, x square into dx, this is nothing but this one. Instead of that you can write dy upon d3, and students x cube plus 6 we have already from 1, so from 1 and 2 you comes to know students, new integrations will be like this. So this will be dy upon 3, and this will be y. Okay students, now this you have to integrate like this. So therefore students, integration is equals to integration, this is the integration symbol, so dy upon 3 divided by y. Okay students, now 1 upon 3, dy upon 3 is nothing but 1 upon 3, this will come out students. Now what is remaining students, that is 1 upon y with respect to dy. Okay students, now you have to integrate 1 upon y, so students it will becomes log of ln of, that is log of y plus c. Okay students, now what is the value of y students? That is nothing but 1 upon 3 ln, that is from 1 students, that is nothing but x cube plus 6. So this will be the answer students. Integration will be this. So this way students, in board examination for 2 marks students, you have to do like this. Okay students, very simple. In board examination this way students, you have to represent the answer. It is very important for the examination point of view. If you like my video, please share it, subscribe it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. God bless you.